Hi students, welcome to SPR Edutech. Today we're going to see about Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty which is signed between the India and Saudi Arabia. Let us understand about MLAT, why it is in the news and how it is so important in understanding the content. So here this stands to be part of your so-called GS2 and also here polity, international agreements and also governance and many other perspectives and bilateral relations. It stands to be very important because here it is a treaty signed between the two nations. So let us understand MLAT, why it is in the news, and also we shall understand how it is so important, what are all the important facts about it. So here recently India and Saudi Arabia are in talks to sign the MLAT to obtain the formal assistance from each other to investigations and also relate to the criminal cases. So let us understand about the MLAT initially. So here MLAT means it's a in criminal matters are the bilateral treaties entered between the countries for providing the international cooperations and assistance. These agreements also allow for exchange of evidence. So here, if so any crime conducted by Indian in Saudi Arabia or Saudi Arabian in India, so here mutual exchange of evidences can happen, and also information in criminal and also related to the matters between the signing country. So here any information related to the criminal activity and also criminal information can be shared between the countries. So far India has signed MLAT with more than 45 countries, but Saudi is one of the many other countries with whom India does not have a MLAT. So here country that do not share such a mechanism serve summons and notices and also judicial process on the basis of the assurance of a reciprocity. This is all about the MLAT. India is in talks to sign with the Saudi Arabia. Understand them though here mutual legal assistance treaty means in a criminal cases both the countries will be assisting each other for the more activities. Okay guys, for more updates stay tuned. This is me SPR signing off. Have a nice day.